Hello everyone. We are back once again with a new game that is interesting and that is definitely useful for the children, for everyone. It is useful for the teachers as well as for the children. So, this game is called as a spinning wheel. The concept of spinning wheel is not new, but what is new is how we use it for to enhance the learning of the children or how we use it in the classroom. All children love playing games. They play games to the extent that they forget so many things, they forget the responsibilities. So, usually, the children are engrossed in playing video games or games on the smartphone. So, instead of allowing children to waste their valuable time, okay, playing video games, because those video games do not have an educational purpose. They could train the students in some skills, but they are not directed to a specific outcome. So if the teachers design games, use games in the classroom, this can definitely draw the attention of the students, and moreover it can help the students learn and understand concepts. So in this particular game, I will tell you how I have incorporated the element of learning. So let me show you how the game is played. First I click on the slideshow mode and then I have to spin this wheel. So for that I click at the center of the wheel and it starts spinning, and then again I click at the center of the wheel so that it stops. It stops. The arrow indicates that it has stopped at number 2. So I click on this number 2 section and I'm directed to a particular question. I have to find out what is the correct answer. If I know the correct answer, I click on the correct answer. Okay, and then suppose if I click on this, oh wow, this is the correct answer. So I have 1 point. The teacher can also assign points to each question, or the teacher can assign points at the end of the game, or the teacher can make a note of it as to how much points this child has earned. Okay, so then the child again goes back to the game, and again, in the same manner, the child again clicks on to at the center of the button, the wheel starts moving, and again clicks the center of the button, the wheel stops. This time the arrow indicates number 1. So as the child clicks number 1, he or she is directed to another set of questions. Now if the child knows the answer, so the child clicks here, oh, is very sorry, but this is the wrong answer. So the child is not disqualified from the game, but the child does not earn any points. So again the child has to go back to the game. In this manner, the child can learn whatever mistakes he or she has done, and also try and rectify those mistakes. At the same time, the child can also test his or her knowledge about a particular subject, to what extent he has understood, to what extent he or she has been able to apply the knowledge that has already been acquired before to newer situations. So this game is a unique game, because the teacher can think of innumerable ways to use this game in the class. I have thought of this particular way. Another way which you can do is, for each option I have designed only 1 question for each option or each number, but you can design for each option of number, you can design 5 questions. Okay, or 5 questions, 6 questions you can design. And moreover, these sections can be divided into different categories. For example, in grammar you can have the category of synonyms and antonyms, you can have the category of homophones, you could also incorporate subject verb agreement and so on. Okay, active passive voice and so on. So there are a number of ways in which you can divide into categories. And moreover, this game can be used for all subjects in order to test the knowledge of the students, or in order to test whether they are able to apply whatever they have learned in newer situations. In order to make it more active in online platform, you can use this game for this application based questions. But when you physically meet the students in the class, then this spinning wheel game can be used in order to prepare the students to do something where they can, for example, to draw something. Okay, they can play with pairs, or they can play in groups. They can be divided into groups, and they can be asked to do something within the group, or if they are into pairs, they can, in order to make it more fun and more enjoyable, they can ask each pair to create something, to do something, or to analyze something, to analyze a concept. Okay, and that becomes more interesting and fun. Okay, so this game, if you want to use this game, I'm sure you would like to use this game in your class. If you want the template of this game, I would suggest that you subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to send your email ID in the comment box. I will definitely respond, okay, and send you the template in your email ID. Also, do not forget to press the like button. I hope you enjoyed this game. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to send your email ID in a comment box. Also, I would appreciate if you add your comments, and do let me know how you have incorporated the game and how successfully you have incorporated the game, whether your children enjoyed playing the game. So those kind of feedback will really help me to come up with new games in the next time. So thank you so much. I hope you use this game in your classroom.